Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to import contacts from your Gmail to your iPhone. How to import Google Contacts to iPhone. To import your Google Contacts to your iPhone, it's very simple. This is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to scroll all the way down. So I want you to tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, I want you to go to the search bar and search for contact. So once you search for contact, tap on that contact. So once you tap on the contact, it will bring you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on contacts account. So once you tap on contacts account, you are going to see it is going to show you add account. So I want you to tap on add account. So once it brings you to this page, what you want to do here, you want to tap on Google at the middle. So once you tap on Google, it will ask you to put in your Gmail and your password, and you'll be logged in successfully. So once you log in your Gmail, then it will bring you back to this page. So on this page, what I want you to do on here, once you log in, your Gmail will show on here. Once it shows, I want you to tap on the Gmail. So once you tap on the Gmail, it will bring you to this page. So on this page, what I want you to do is this. I want you to turn on everything we have here. So once you turn on everything we have here, you just want to go back. So once you go back, your contact, your Google contact will be saved to your iPhone automatically, easily. So what do you want to do after this? What you want to do after this, you want to go back to the to our settings homepage. So on here, I want you to tap on the Apple account at the top. You want to go to your Apple account by tapping on your name at the top. So once you tap on your name, I want you to tap on iCloud on here. So once you tap on iCloud on here, I want you to look for where we have saved to iCloud. So I want you to tap on that saved to iCloud. So once you tap on the saved to iCloud, once you tap on the saved to iCloud, I want you to now scroll down and look for where we have contacts. Make sure contact is turned on. Once it shows green, that means contact is turned on. So guys, once you do this, your Google contact will be saved to your iPhone easily. So guys, this is how you can actually import your Google contacts to your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.